One of the ways to control curtains in Z-Wave smart home is using Fibaro roller shutter. In this video, I show you how you can install this device and add it to Vera control unit. Stay with me. This is Fibaro roller shutter 2. For installing this device, neutral wire must be connected to N terminal. Hot wire must be connected to L terminal. Q1 and Q2 are outputs of this device. For opening the curtain, Q1 is activated. In closing the curtain, Q2 is activated. For up, Q1. For down, Q2 is activated. S1 and S2 are inputs for installing switch. And this is the Z-Wave button of this device. Here we have 4 curtains, 2 shades and 2 curtains. We have connected them to Fibaro roller shutters. As you can see, blue is neutral, connected to N terminal. L is hot wire. Q1 and Q2. Here we do not have switches for controlling curtains. After installing Fibaro roller shutter, it must be added. In order to add it to Vera control unit, in Vera, we go to devices. In devices page, I click on add device. From the list, generic Z-Wave device must be selected. Then click on next. Now the Z-Wave button of the device must be pressed 3 times. After pressing the Z-Wave button 3 times, Vera detects the device and it will be added. In this page, in device name, we must give the device a name. In select room, I assign the device to a room. By clicking on finish, Vera starts configuring the device. If this is the first time after installing the device you want to add the device to any Z-Wave device, after powering on the device it goes to inclusion mode. In this situation, as soon as you put the gateway into inclusion, the device will be added to Z-Wave gateway, and there is no need to press the Z-Wave button of the device 3 times. Okay, device is successfully added to Vera control unit. Now it's time to calibrate it. There are several ways to calibrate Fibaro roller shutter. The easiest way is setting parameter. For doing so, I go to the setting of the device, device options. I click add configuration setting. By setting parameter 29 to 1, Fibaro roller shutter starts calibrating, or let's say starts to be calibrated. It is 1 byte deck. I set it to 0. I click save changes. Now the device will perform the calibration, completing a full cycle. After calibration is completed, parameter 29 is set to 0 automatically. Okay, calibration is done. You can see that there is a red alarm in Vera, failed at setting user configuration. For removing this alarm, I go to the setting of the device option. I remove parameter 29 by clicking on X sign. After removing parameter 29, by passing a few minutes, this sign will disappear. Now you can control your curtain using Vera control unit. If I click on down, curtain starts closing. By clicking on stop, movement is stopped, and I can use this bar to define the percentage of being opened or closed. Here you can see that it shows the power consumption of the curtain. I clicked on up. This is the power which is being consumed by the curtain. I hope you have enjoyed this video.